So this is Skyrim running off of the server, right?
Absolutely. It's running off of Nvidia GRID, which is our complete hardware and software solution for streaming games. What you're seeing here is an example of the type of service that you would be able to see through one of our middleware partners, which are basically partners that are developing a complete solution that could stream games through an internet service provider or similar. What you're basically going to get here is a 720p experience, and what you're going to get at that experience roughly takes about a 5 megabit per second internet connection.
Okay.
What you're going to see is what you're going to see in here versus the previous generation cloud gaming systems is a lot lower latency. We've done a lot of things by building this complete server from the ground up. There's a lot of things that we've done to reduce the latency. Every one of those GPUs inside our GRID server has a unique video encoder that basically encodes the H.264 video streams a lot faster and more efficiently than we did previously. As well as we've virtualized these GPUs to allow each GPU to basically stream out to multiple users at the same time. So it allows each GPU to be more efficient from a power perspective, but also from a cost perspective for someone like an MSO or a telco to provide more concurrent users per server.
And the thing is with this, what's the highest refresh rate and resolution you're able to deliver right now?
Right now, it's pretty limitless. What we're limited to by is the bandwidth. Right? I mean, these are basically our high-end Kepler GPUs inside these servers. So anything that you normally see on our PC GTX side, we should be able to do on this. But right now, we've noticed that based on what most people have from an internet perspective, 720p and 5 megabits per second is kind of the standard we're sitting at. Some of our flavors of our servers can stream 1080p quite easily. You're going to need a little bit more bandwidth to do that, and that's more like the 10 to 15.
10 to 15,
10 to 15 is kind of a benchmark for that.
Yeah, the reason why I asked was because I know that HEVC is coming along soon, and that'll enable higher quality at lower bit rates. So I was curious to know if what your currently supported resolution was and what bit rates you guys were getting or expecting to get.
So again, right now it's totally up to the middleware provider on what they want to do, because they're all making the actual deals with these telcos and MSOs. So depending on how they want to enable that service, they have the flexibility to do that. And again, this is, in a lot of ways, we look at this as additive to our GeForce business. It's not necessarily going to replace the experience that our GTX desktop PC owners are currently having right now. The titles and the types of subscriptions that you'll likely see are something that are a little bit probably a step down from that, in the sense that these are people that we want that are using connected televisions, you're using mobile phones and tablets to basically get that same great PC experience, but kind of anywhere on any device.
Okay.